everyone, so finally here I'm posting a new video on my channel Organizopedia for you all. So those who are watching me for the very first time, my name is Priyanka and I do make videos on how to organize your home, how to decorate it, some DIYs related to organizing and decorating your home. So summers are here and we have always noticed those small dust particles which very easily collect on furniture and floor. So don't you think it just make you look bad in front of your guests, but it can also cause allergies, asthma and some other irritations. So we cannot completely make our home dust free, but yes, we can definitely take some steps to make our home dust proof. So here in today's video, I'm going to talk about how we can make our home dust free and some awesome dusting hacks. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Don't use too much fancy feathered dusters. I know they look cute and attractive, but they will only spread dust around your home, so stop using it. There is a science behind dusting also. Always try to start your dusting from the surfaces which are on the height and then come down to the lower one. So recently I was reading an article in the newspaper and it was written there, if you want to experience a change in the dusting, you should switch on the fans and ACs before you actually start doing dusting. This will make your work whole lot easier. At my place, we have a lot of argument regarding dusting, like damp versus dry, spray polish on cloth versus spraying it on the furniture. One important thing, it's always better to use damp cloth to wipe off the dust from the furniture and floor because slightly moist cloth attracts and traps the dust particles, but a dry cloth will always push it around. Always apply a small amount of polish on the cloth and then try to clean your furniture. If you spray it on furniture, you will end up spraying a lot of product on furniture.
It's always better to spray the polish on the cloth and then clean the surface. So here is one more demerit of spraying the polish directly on the furniture. There might be chances of getting residue on the furniture. So it's always better to avoid that situation. Use your spray polish on the cloth.
We always experience that static cling while we clean the plastic surfaces with the dry cloth. So to avoid it, dampen a dusting cloth with a fabric softener, and in this way you can definitely prevent the static cling on the plastic surfaces.
To clean your electric switchboard, take baby oil on a cotton pad and then start scrubbing it. You will notice that within 2 to 5 minutes, all the gunk which was earlier accumulated on the switchboard, this baby oil will easily take all those out from the switchboard.
Use a paintbrush to clean the small articles in the home. This way you could clean smaller nooks and the crannies as well.
So with the help of this paintbrush, I am able to clean the surfaces which are actually very difficult to clean. And then I took a damp cloth to wipe it out. And to give it a little more shining, I am using baby oil to clean it.
Sometimes these AC vents are difficult to clean because they accumulate a lot of dust in it and it's very hard to clean it. So what we can do is just put a socks on your hand, put this DIY solution, and then you can very easily clean your AC vents.
So for this DIY dusting solution, take water and dish soap in the ratio of 1:4. And here your solution is ready.
Dust your light bulbs with a cloth moistened with the rubbing alcohol.
So these light bulbs, we always ignore them to clean. But it's very important to clean them. So here I'm taking rubbing alcohol, that is surgical spirit, to clean the bulbs.
So last but not the least, microwave your sponges to kill 99% of germs and bacteria. So just put these sponges inside the microwave and put it on for 1 or 2 minutes, and in this way you can clean your sponges and they're ready to use it again. So this is all for today's video and I really hope you guys liked it. If so, then please do subscribe to my channel, Hit that like button and I will see you in my next one. Till then, be organized and bye bye.